What is C language? C is a general-purpose, high-performance programming language that has been widely used for decades. Developed in the early 1970s by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs, C has become one of the most influential programming languages, serving as the foundation for many modern languages such as C++, Java, and Python. C is known for its efficiency, flexibility, and close interaction with hardware, making it a popular choice for systems programming, embedded systems, and performance-critical applications. C language. Procedural language. C follows the procedural programming paradigm, where the program is organized into functions and procedures. This makes it structured and modular, allowing for easy debugging and maintenance. Low-level language. C is considered a low-level language because it operates close to the hardware, providing direct access to memory and system resources. This allows for efficient execution of programs. Compiled language. C code is compiled into machine code that can be executed by the computer's hardware. This compilation step helps optimize the code for speed and efficiency. Portable. Despite its low-level nature, C is highly portable. Code written in C can run on different platforms with little or no modification, making it ideal for cross-platform applications. Why learn C language? 1. Foundation of modern programming. Influence on other languages. C has influenced many modern programming languages, including C++, Java, Python, and Rust. Understanding C provides a solid foundation for learning these languages. Syntax familiarity. Many languages use C-like syntax, so learning C can help you easily transition to other programming languages. 2. System-level programming. Operating systems development. C is widely used in developing operating systems, such as Unix and Linux, due to its ability to interact directly with hardware. The core of many operating systems is written in C. Embedded systems. C is the preferred language for programming embedded systems, which are computers integrated into devices like routers, smart appliances, and automotive systems. Its efficiency and control over hardware resources make it ideal for these applications. 3. Performance. Efficiency. C is known for its execution speed and low memory usage. Programs written in C are often faster than those written in higher-level languages because C code can be optimized for the hardware on which it runs. Memory management. Unlike higher-level languages that manage memory automatically, C gives the programmer direct control over memory allocation and deallocation. This allows for efficient use of system resources, though it also requires careful management to avoid issues like memory leaks. 4. Portability. Cross-platform compatibility. C code can be compiled and executed on various platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and embedded systems. This makes C a versatile choice for developing software that needs to run on multiple systems. 5. Flexibility. Hardware interaction. C allows for low-level operations such as direct memory manipulation and bitwise operations. This makes it ideal for writing drivers, kernels, and other system-level applications where performance and hardware access are crucial. Real-time applications. C is used in applications that require precise timing and performance, such as telecommunications, robotics, and aerospace systems. 6. Large ecosystem. Libraries and tools. C has a rich ecosystem of libraries and development tools that can simplify the development process. Whether you need to perform mathematical computations, handle networking, or create graphical interfaces, there are C libraries available for these tasks. Community support. As one of the oldest programming languages, C has a vast community of developers. There are numerous resources, forums, and tutorials available for learning and troubleshooting. C language. Procedural language. C follows the procedural programming paradigm, where the program is organized into functions and procedures. This makes it structured and modular, allowing for easy debugging and maintenance. Low-level language. C is considered a low-level language because it operates close to the hardware, providing direct access to memory and system resources. This allows for efficient execution of programs. Compiled language. C code is compiled into machine code that can be executed by the computer's hardware. This compilation step helps optimize the code for speed and efficiency. Portable. Despite its low-level nature, C is highly portable. Code written in C can run on different platforms with little or no modification, making it ideal for cross-platform applications. 7. Learning opportunity. Understanding computer architecture. Learning C can help you gain a deeper understanding of computer architecture, memory management, and how computers execute code. This knowledge can be beneficial for optimizing code in any programming language. Problem-solving skills. C programming requires careful attention to detail and problem-solving skills, which can improve your overall programming abilities. Uses of C language. 1. Operating systems. Unix, Linux. The Unix operating system, and many of its derivatives like Linux, were originally developed in C. The language's ability to interact with hardware and manage system resources made it ideal for this task. Windows and Mac OS. Portions of other operating systems, including Microsoft Windows and Mac OS, are also written in C2. Embedded systems. Microcontrollers. C is commonly used for programming microcontrollers, which are small computers embedded in devices like cars, household appliances, and medical devices. IoT devices. Internet of Things, IoT, devices, which require efficient and responsive programming, are often developed in C. 3. Game development. Game engines. Some game engines and performance-critical components of games are written in C, or its successor, C++. C's speed and control over system resources make it suitable for real-time gaming applications. Graphics libraries. C is used in graphics libraries like OpenGL, which are essential for rendering 2D and 3D graphics in games and simulations. 4. Database systems. Database engines. Many database management systems, such as MySQL and PostgreSQL, are developed using C due to the need for high performance and efficient memory usage. 5. Compilers and interpreters. Language compilers. C is often used to write compilers and interpreters for other programming languages because of its performance and flexibility. Python interpreter. For example, the reference implementation of Python, called CPython, is written in C6. Networking. Network protocols. C is used in implementing network protocols and applications that require fast and efficient communication, such as TCP, IP, HTTP servers, and client-server applications. Telecommunications. In the telecommunications industry, C is often used to develop software that handles large volumes of data and requires real-time processing. 7. Scientific and mathematical applications. Simulation software. C is used in scientific computing and simulations that require high performance, such as computational fluid dynamics, weather forecasting, and molecular modeling. Mathematical libraries. Many mathematical libraries used for complex calculations, such as the GNU Scientific Library, GSL, are written in C8. Security and cryptography. Security tools. C is used in developing security tools, such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and encryption algorithms, where performance and low-level access to system resources are critical. Cryptography libraries. Libraries for encryption and decryption, like OpenSSL, are written in C. Conclusion. C is a powerful and efficient language that serves as the foundation for many modern technologies. Its low-level capabilities, performance, and portability make it indispensable for system programming, embedded systems, and applications that require direct hardware interaction. Learning C can help you understand how computers work at a deeper level and give you the skills needed for performance-critical programming tasks. Whether you are interested in operating systems, embedded devices, or high-performance computing, C is a valuable language to master.